You can earn 50,000 a month or even 1 lakh and still feel like you're broke. And no, you're not stupid as fuck. And it's also not about your expenses, it's about something deeper. In this video, I'll show you the 3 biggest reasons why people stay broke and how to get out of it. Let's start with a story. A guy gets a new job, earns 50k. Then next month, a new phone. Then a party, new clothes, lifestyle inflates, income increases, but savings? Still zero. But why? Because the spending mindset scaled with income. So let's go a little deeper. Why do we do this? Why we spend money we don't even have to buy the things we don't even need to impress people who honestly don't even care? The answer is dopamine. Every time you swipe your card, click on buy now or get a delivery notification, your brain gets a hit of dopamine, the feel-good chemical. It makes you feel rewarded, excited, important. But here is the trap. That excitement fades in minutes and the guilt lasts for days. So what do we do next? We chase that high again. Another delivery, another dinner out, another gadget, and the loop begins. More money in equals more spending equals no savings equals more stress. And guess what? You repeat the cycle to escape the stress you created. Money gives us momentary control, a new outfit, a better iPhone, a fancy dinner out. It makes us feel in charge. But it's all temporary because it's dopamine driven. And honestly, dopamine doesn't care about your long-term goals. It just wants to feel good right now. And if you don't catch the pattern catches you. So earning more won't help you if your relationship with money is broken. We were taught how to earn money, but not think about money. And that is the silent reason most middle class people stay stuck. And not because they don't work hard, but because they carry beliefs about money that were never questioned. Like this one, कि पैसे से ज़्यादा क्या ही चाहिए? अच्छा घर, खाना, कपड़ा, बस. It sounds simple, modest. But this mindset teaches how to survive, not thrive. Your friend saves 500 by skipping a cab, but wastes 5,000 in opportunities by wasting time. This is called scarcity mindset. You were taught to avoid risk. Don't take loans. Don't invest in anything you don't understand. Stick to what's safe. But no one taught you how to actually grow wealth. Growing wealth is not about playing safe. It's about understanding calculated risk, long-term thinking, and trusting your own decisions. There's a line from this book, Psychology of Money, that hits hard. Doing well with money has little to do with how smart you are, but a lot to do with how well you behave. But what the fuck does that even mean? That means it's not about your degrees or the complex Excel sheets. It's about your behavior. Can you delay gratification? Can you stay consistent? Can you avoid comparing yourself to others every second? The truth is, most people are not broke because of their income. They are broke because of how they think and act around money. And that's the trap. Let's talk about rat race. You wake up, commute, work, come back tired, pay bills, scroll Instagram, wait for the weekend, and then repeat. I mean, it looks normal, right? It even feels productive. But if you zoom out, you'll see something scary. You're not working for freedom. You're working for surviving. You are running but not going anywhere. Your salary comes and it's gone before the 10th. EMIs, bills, fuel, maybe a little bit of shopping. And congratulations, you're back to zero. And every EMI starts to feel like a chain. The more you upgrade your lifestyle, the heavier those chains get. And you know the saddest part? We call this a normal life because everyone around us is doing the same thing. Even in schools, you are trained to be a consumer, not a creator. But let me ask you something. If this was normal, why are so many people unhappy and depressed? This isn't your fault. It's a system that you were dropped into without a guidebook. But the good news, once you see the system, you can learn how to escape it. Not by quitting a job tomorrow, not by chasing overnight success, but by doing 3 simple things that most people never do. First, track your spending for 7 days. Literally, just 7 days. Write down every rupee you spend, from chai to Uber, from online shopping. You will be shocked at what you learn about yourself. and not just your wallet. Second, read just one good book about money. And no, not to become any finance expert, but to rebuild your relationship with money. Start with The Psychology of Money or The Rich Dad Poor Dad. Books that don't talk about money, they talk about how you think about the money. Take a moment right now and ask yourself this powerful question: what are my beliefs about money and where do they come from? Did I learn them from experience, or did I just absorb them from my parents, society, or fear? And lastly, just remember, staying broke is not a punishment, it's a pattern. And once you see the pattern, you can break it.